Welcome back. This video I will be focusing on Vaulted. More precisely, I'm going to be giving an update after they taken out the maintenance fee from my account, which is taken out every January and July. I am still investing $10 a month automatically on the 5th of every month. I hasn't looked at Vaulted in months, so I'm going to go over the results of my gold investment so far, the actual maintenance fee, and any other new features that I see with that website. Let's get started. So let me go ahead and log in. The current gold price is a lot less than I had when I first invested. I think it was like 1,800. Now it's at 1,700. The site basically still looks the same. In the cash section, the reason why it shows deposit pending is because I recorded this after the 5th, which is the date. I usually automatically withdraw my money, but because it takes a few days for the actual transaction to process, it has the status of deposit pending. As for the $2.94 in the cash section, escrow cash that I had left over when I first started to take into account the maintenance fee. Now in the gold section, I got 0.31229 ounces of gold, which as of this video, it totals $55.17. On the detail page, the gold is stored at the Royal Canadian Mint. My total gain or loss is a negative. It's $4.83. Maintenance fee now is 0. And if I quit learn more, it is a total of 0.4 annual, 0.2 billed in July, and 0.2 billed in January. And that's won't be until January the 1st, 2023. Now I'm going to look at my bar segment. Okay, let me go ahead and look at activities. There's nothing really changed in the transfer screen. Okay, so activity, I have a pending, automatic investment pending of $10. I got charged 6 cents maintenance fee. For the period January 26th to June the 30th, average gold, $36.07. The annual rate is what I talked about in the Learn More section earlier. This page also includes transactions of when money was deposited into the account and what price the gold was bought. Whether you buy automatically or not, you have to wait for the fund to deposit into the account before you can actually make a gold purchase. For example, my June transaction, my automatic deposit is done on every 5th of the month. They didn't actually buy gold until the 7th of June, as you see there. While they may, it only took one day for the funds to settle and Vaulted to make the purchase. As I said in the details, the price per ounce has went down. So it was 1,900 in May, 1,900 in April, 2,000 in March. It was 1,800 in February. Also on the activity page is a section of statements that provide documentation such as tax information and even a quarterly statement that lists all the transactions that were done during a certain period. Here's an example of my quarterly statement. For quarter 2, it contains the summary of the detail page and all the transactions that were done during that quarter. And also they got my personal advisor, their address, and their personal telephone number. And let's look at the maintenance fee invoice. This statement is pretty simple. Just tell me the average amount of gold I have, the annual rate, and my maintenance fee. That's it for the activity section. Let's go back to the overview page. I basically lost $4.84. It was good that I did some escrow cash and did not buy gold with it because they took their maintenance fee for the month of July, which was $3 left from my first deposit. That's basically about it with Vaulted. I just want to give an update. Still going to auto invest $10 every month. I might provide an update later on this year. But if not, I definitely will provide an update in January 2023. Thanks for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Take care.